In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace with this updated easy guide for 2025. We've all been there. You go to list an item or browse some great deals on the marketplace only to find out you've been restricted. Don't worry, we're here to walk you through the steps needed to resolve this issue. First, it's important to understand why you might be blocked from Facebook Marketplace. Common reasons for restrictions include violations of Facebook's commerce policies, such as attempting to sell prohibited items. Perhaps your posts have been flagged as misleading or spammy, or you've received numerous reports from other users. Suspicious account activity, such as using a brand new account, providing fake information, or having numerous bans on record, can also lead to a ban. It's crucial to identify the exact reason for the block, as this understanding will guide you in resolving the issue effectively. Once you've pinpointed the cause, let's move on to some basic fixes that can often resolve simple issues. Start by ensuring your Facebook app is up to date, as older versions might not support marketplace access appropriately. Sometimes, clearing the app's cache and data can do wonders. This involves going into your device settings, navigating to the apps section, finding Facebook, and selecting to clear the cache. If these steps don't work, try logging into Facebook from a different device, like switching from mobile to desktop. Also, consider your location. Due to restrictions, some countries or VPN connections might not support marketplace access. If these basic steps still don't unlock your access, it might be time to submit an appeal to Facebook. Start by visiting the Facebook Help Center. Then look for the Marketplace Appeal Form. A quick search for Request Review Marketplace should bring it up. Complete the form by clicking on Request Review, and ensure you provide accurate and honest information. Typically, Facebook will review your appeal within 1 to 3 days. Finally, to prevent future issues, consider strengthening your Facebook account. Ensure you're using your real profile with an actual photo and name, and engage in genuine activity. Avoid posting a large number of items too quickly, as this might look suspicious. Be clear and honest in your item descriptions, steering clear of clickbait tactics, and ensure you stick to allowed categories, avoiding items like weapons or counterfeit goods. Always strive for positive ratings by maintaining good buyer and seller practices. By following these steps diligently, you should be well on your way to regaining access to Facebook Marketplace and avoiding any future missteps. Remember, it's all about playing by the rules and keeping things honest. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide proves helpful in getting back to buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace with ease.